Hello everybody, how are you all doing tonight? The date is September the 26th. It's about 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Manitoba. And I finally have my voice back, and it actually feels pretty good to be able to talk without straining myself. And during the changes in the weather, I can get really under the weather. So yeah, it's getting very, very cold here, guys. It's getting to about 1 degree already at night. But good thing I've got my fireplace going there. Let me just show you guys kind of where my trading setup is in the winter time here. That's me, just looking very under the weather. I've got that fireplace going 24 hours a day, and I ordered about 1 quart of wood so far. So it's like a log cabin that I trade in, and it's going to be very conducive to winter. You can't really see out here, but that's just kind of the windows outside. It's going to be very bright and airy. It's going to feel like a very positive environment to trade, and where I can also focus on perhaps my support group coming up very soon, and my trading group that I plan to announce after all the details are ironed out. So anyways, let's get into this Bitcoin technical analysis. The last thing I want to do is overwhelm you with boring trivial facts about me. So Bitcoin capitulated, okay? Let me give you an example of what happened during this specific time here when we were getting these types of formations of just coming to the downside, lots of pressure by the bears, and eventually there's capitulation where we just completely break to the downside. And here I would have to say it was the exact same thing that actually happened, but I assumed that we would hold at the 200 moving day average, but we actually didn't even hold at all at the 200-day moving average on the daily. Instead, we ended up falling right below it. And now what we're doing is we're trending right to the moving average of the 200 on the 2-day. And right now we're hitting this key resistance, I would say, that we broke past it. Wasn't really a lot of effort to break past it. Only took a few days, you can say. Here it took about actually almost a month. So there's no way we're gonna just fall right below it, right? See here, there's congestion, broke above it to 9100 from 8100, but fell back below. Found support at around 7500. Excuse me. So now we can say that this 8K range is going to be a very significant number. So just to give you guys an idea of how other coins are generally trending as well. Okay, Bitcoin from this date here, like right before 2019. We're hitting roughly a retracement of between 0.5 and 618. Other coins are retracing a lot more than that. For example, EOS is retracing past 786. XRP is on a mind of its own. It's on a path completely different than any other coin right now. We look at Ethereum, and this retraces between 0.618 and the 786 level. And we look at Litecoin, the retracement is about 618 to 786. So Litecoin and Ethereum are about the same. EOS is retracing a lot. XRP is on a path by itself, and then also BAB, or Bitcoin Cash, is in the same boat as well. So all three of these, Ethereum, Litecoin, and BAB, are in the same boat, whereas Bitcoin has actually retraced the least amount between 0.5 and 618. So just want to give you guys some perspective of what has been going on thus far. I'm very interested in EOS, I have to admit, because on a long-term trend, these tend to hold very, very well. And that is fairly significant in my opinion. Okay, right here. What do you guys think of this? Okay, so if we get a bounce here, who knows what kind of retracement we can get on EOS. I'm just giving you guys an idea of my plans. I mean, we could get all the way up to, I'm guessing, at least $4. Yeah, that's a pretty big jump up there, right? So I'm very excited for that. Anyways, this is not an EOS or altcoin technical analysis. This is specifically Bitcoin. So if we do, just as an example, an Elliott wave analysis on here, very simple one. And I think a lot of people would agree with me that this is the failed wave right here. This is the ABC that has completed. This one here is the ABC, going to the upside that fails to make the X, which implies that this here is the W. Okay, this is the X where it fails, like that area there. And I think that this is the A, B, and the C that is going to most likely finish above this region here. And we might see a rally, for example, to December 17, which is a very significant number. Let me show you guys the significance of December 17, okay? December 17 was the day that the bull rally ended. Right here. December 17, 2017. So once again, that is the day the bull rally ended. And it is also the same day, on December 17 the next year, that the bull rally began. Significant? Yes, absolutely. So once again, 2017, December 17, was the day that the bull rally ended. And then the year after, in 2018, was the day the rally began. So, if we finish this correction here, there might be a chance for us to rally to December 17. That date's fairly significant. So this is most likely 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's just do it very compressed, okay? We don't even need to do something like that here. Okay, we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's most likely a 5 down to here. And I'm not going to break it down to the subwaves of everything. This is very general. That makes sense. The fourth wave doesn't really get to there. The ABC, don't know exactly where that is. Maybe we can find it somewhere in a smaller time frame here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B, and I don't even think this is, that could even be a C truncated severely. Okay, but either way, excuse me. Whether that's 1 and 2 and 3 to the downside, or whether this right here is just 1, 2, 3, and that's a 4 and a 5, right? This one to me is still the third of some sort. Okay, so regardless, okay, I'm just gonna go to a different time frame. Regardless, let's just see that we started here. Excuse me there. Where this is now 1, 2, and this is now 3. I'm searching for 4 somewhere, which I don't think will be higher than 8,900. Who knows? It might even get back up there to 9,700, and see. Capitulation did happen. So now I'm waiting for it to come down one more time, perhaps. Okay, right over here, maybe. Maybe we can get it to 7,200. That would be very confluent. Okay, so once again, this is now 1. That's 2. And there are 3 coming to the downside. And I think that there's going to be a ABC going to the upside. Maybe this ABC will be the one testing up here. Like, close to there. And then maybe 5 more waves coming to the downside. Which completes, the 5 Elliott wave structures. And then, if I just do it very loosely, that's 1, 2, and that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. It's very sloppy the way I'm doing it. You guys get the point if I just take out all the sub waves in here. There you go. So, whoops. So that's kind of my general idea of what I'm expecting it to do. I thought it was going to bounce off of 8,700, but not even close, right? So here's the W, that's the X, and that's me the Y. Oh, you know what? I'm actually doing this wrong. I apologize. This is ridiculous what I'm doing. I meant to do it like that. It doesn't even matter, okay? So yeah, the 4 and then the 5, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and now we're actually finished, okay? I take back everything I said. I caught myself in my mistake there, okay? So now this is the 4. I was wondering why that was so off. And, we could see this level off by October. This makes a lot more sense now, okay? Catching a mistake is always good. And then now we get the ABC within the X to the Y. So it's looking pretty decent so far. I'm very excited to see how this is going to play out. December 17th is a very significant number. So, yeah. Anyways, okay, I just wanted to tell you guys in on Inside Joke, okay? Every month I've been doing this with my friend Liz, if you guys don't know. We're just really good friends.
but every month we write happy anniversary just as a joke to you guys. So for the people that actually follow me and watch my YouTube videos, I'm telling you guys at the end right now that she's just a friend, and honestly, like we just like joke about this for a while now, and just inside joke, eh? But you guys should all go to my Twitter. Honestly, guys, if you watch this video, go to my Twitter and just write happy anniversary, or go there and just compliment her and be like, oh, you look so hot, you know, stuff like that. Just blow smoke up her ass. If you guys could do me this favor, that would be amazing, because I want her to like I'll tell you the story of what she did one day to lose me, okay? But that's a story for another day. Anyways, I'll leave it on that note. Have yourselves a wonderful day. If there's any questions I can answer for you, Demi, if you're interested in purchasing my crypto or just about in general, let me know. Try to reach out to me on Twitter. That's where I answer the majority of all questions. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye now. Take care.